Harmful and illegal content are never acceptable. If you see this content online, you should always report it to the platform where you see it. Here I'm going to show you one way to report illegal or harmful content to X on mobile. Firstly, open the X app on your phone or via the browser and tap the three dots on the right hand side of the post you'd like to report. If you see a post that you feel is breaking the law, tap the three dots and then tap Report EU Illegal Content. This screen will then appear with information about EU reporting, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see you'll need to provide your name and email. Some parts of the form may auto-populate based on the link you're reporting. You'll then be asked to explain why you think the content is illegal and to confirm you're making the report in good faith. After this, tap Submit. You'll then receive an automated email that looks like this. Following X's review of your illegal report, you'll either receive an email which says that X agrees with your illegal report and the content has been withheld in your country, meaning that the content should no longer be visible in your country. Or you may receive an email like this, which says X disagrees with you and won't be removing the content. You should have options to appeal this decision. Now on to reporting harmful content or a breach of X's terms and conditions or rules. If you're logged into an X account, you can report harmful content if you think it goes against X's rules. Similar to before, if you tap the three dots on the top right hand side of the post you'd like to report and then tap Report Post, this table will appear. X provides short descriptions under each option. Tap Next at the end of this short paragraph. You'll be asked to give more detail under the topic you've chosen, and once you're finished, tap Submit. Once you submit your report, you should receive an acknowledgement like this, with actions you could take while you wait for the outcome of your report, like blocking or muting the account. Within a few days, you should receive an email giving you an update on your report, including options to appeal this decision. X will either agree with your report and find that a violation has been found. They may lock the account who sent the abusive behaviour, restrict or remove the account, or they will disagree with you and keep the content up. If you're not happy with their decision, you should be able to appeal. X will then check their decision and may or may not overturn it. The platform's reporting function should be easy to find and use. If it isn't, we'd like to hear from you. Find our query form on our website www.cnam.ie/report to us.